and I doubt this love you've given to me. I hope you understand.